Karina, your favorite Spanglish travel blogger. Estoy aquí de nuevo to wrap up this RV thing. We've talked about what you need to bring. We've talked about how to survive. Te dije my favorite parts of RVing. Y ahora es tiempo de decirte the sucky bits. I'm going to tell you all the stuff that I wish I knew that I will do differently for next time. But before we do any of that, please, please, please press that subscribe button. Subscribe, then get on Instagram or Facebook and tell all your friends to subscribe. Leave me a comment. I so appreciate it. Te agradezco todo. Now, for next time, and this is my last thing, research the hell out of the places that you're going. Dispersed camping, boondocking is different from staying at an RV resort. Know the difference.
See how these go. They went. Oh my! There's the white stuff.
It's snowing. Little flakes of snow. One is about privacy and being alone with and one with nature. El otro is about amenities. I didn't know that before. I learned my freaking lesson. Another thing is research the roads and donde vas a estar, because not all roads are created equal, and Google Maps doesn't always help you. Sometimes roads are windy. Sometimes they got no guardrails. Sometimes they are one lane in the middle of a Colorado mountain with heights and just scary. You don't want that. Pay attention, because you don't want that to happen to you like it happened to me. Just really being cognizant of the things you want to see and the places you want to go before you get there, because there are some places that you can't just stop on a whim. You cannot just with an RV. You're literally without road. There's just a teensy bit. RVs don't stop like that. Say what you need to say. So research. Pon el tiempo in researching where you're gonna go, what you're gonna do, where you're gonna sleep. It's hugely worth it. The Dirt app, I love it. I used it a lot. We were able to create our own map, our itinerary. We were able to put in our lodgings, where we were gonna stay, able to see all of the maps of the BLM and US Forest System. Maps that show you where you can stay for free. That shit is importante. Pon atención. Take a look at it. It's amazing. And it's free. Say what you need to say. Number 2, I would take more time to have me time. I, as the mom, estaba tan enfocada in making sure everybody else was having a good time, everybody had what they needed, and the camper was clean, and blah, 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 that I just ran myself ragged. ¿Sabes lo que es? You just feel just haggard and frazzled all the time, and then it's hard to get in the state of mind where you can enjoy everything. Real talk, friends. I've had about enough of those damn kids. Noah has had an attitude all fucking day long and has been just the worst. And so I've escaped. I left them to go pick up our food. I'm walking in Santa Fe and I need like a good 30 minutes before I see anybody again. It's too much time in the car. Too much time. Next time we will not do that. Another thing that I would do is slow down. Our itinerary was too jam-packed. We were going. One place every day. Driving for 9 hours a day. It was insane. That didn't work.
I think we're all just really tired of ripping and running. I'm excited just to kind of get someplace and be, which will be tomorrow. I'll be getting off the grid, and so
I would say don't go any further than 5 hours a day. Try to stay at a place at least 2 nights. Slow yourself down. And if that means cambiando el itinerary, hazlo. If that means cutting a few places off that list, we'll see you next time. Like, it's so important for your family to stay connected, and adding that unneeded stress of trying to do too much too quickly it's just not worth it. No es. So slow down. Be willing to throw away your itinerary sometimes. Keep like a loose blueprint. That's what we did. We learned the hard way. Obviamente, there were some nasty things that happened along the way, but the biggest thing was learning, okay, here's where we're gonna end up. Here's what we wanna see along the way. Everything else is a maybe. It will decide based on how we feel, cómo nos sentimos, qué queremos hacer ese día. Lo que sea. Be open-minded. Be a little bit pliable because you just never know. RVing is tan especial. It's beautiful. We spent a month creating the most beautiful memories together. Y no, I wouldn't trade it. No lo haría. I wouldn't trade it for the world. Try it. I think you'll love it. And I hope that these tips te ayudan. Travel's all about trial and error. Tú aprendes cuando lo haces, right? So I didn't know all of the things that could possibly go wrong, that did go wrong. I didn't know, no lo sabía. I learned along the way. And I hope that you benefited from me telling you what I learned. Because that's what we do, we share, right? That's why we do this, so that you don't make the same mistakes I did, and that you get to have a better time than even I did. That's the goal. Esa es la meta. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this series. We got so much more coming for you. Estoy emocionadísima. Like, you don't even know. But remember, please, I need you to keep this going. I need to know that you're enjoying this the same way that I'm enjoying it, that we're like bonding. So please push the subscribe button. Check me out on Instagram. I'm on there too. And check out my blog, because that's where this all stems from. I take material that I've already written about and now I'm telling it to you. So we can do like a little circle story, a little swap. Tú metes a mi blog y después regresas a mi vlog and we do it together in all one big circle story. Anyway, los agradezco. I love you guys. Thank you so much for your support, for your friendship, for your comments, for following. I'm so excited about what we're gonna do on this channel and the things that we get to talk about together. Next up, we're gonna have some behind the scenes, a little bit of Joanna's silliness. Yeah, I go by Joanna and Josie. It's crazy. We'll talk about it later. In the meantime, los quiero. Have a great day.